Claude just launched a new AI model which is the Claude 4, and it is much more better than the previous models it have. I already tested it out and it is just amazing the output that you get. So if you see over here in terms of comparison to all the other tools that it have, Opus, Sonnet 4, every in all those capabilities it is the higher in all of these, right? So you can see the benchmarks over here for the visual reasoning. In comparison to the Claude 3.7, you will get it much better, right? In the multilingual Q&A, agentic tool use, everything that you compare it with, it is much higher, especially also in comparison to the GPT 4.1, which is also a latest version from the OpenAI. But this Claude new model, model 4, is much better. And I will show you today how you can build a complete AI agent with the help of this new model and get the best output for yourself. Right? I will show you how you can get the content, right? Your blog post, repurpose your content from blog post into the social media post using the help of the AI and using this new Claude AI model. How you can connect this, I will show you step by step process over here. Alright, so let's start with this, what this do. I will give an example first and then we will dive in the step by step detailed process on how you can build this. Okay, so first what I will do, I will go here, copy the email that I wrote. Okay, I'm taking this as an example for the blog post, for example, right? And I will give this as an input to the AI. All right, so here I paste this email as an input for the blog post, right? Now AI agent will take this and start working. So now AI agent is working using this AI new Claude model plus the helping of the thing to think deeper on what kind of output it need to produce, right? It is good or not, and every kind of thinking that it need to done. And then it is doing that. It is processing the output and generating the complete content, social media content for me, right? I asked it to generate two different social media posts. If I show you here, so you can see it is act as an AI assistant that tasked to generate the Instagram captions that align with a specific voice, tonality, and content. So its goal is to create the engaging, emotionally resonant captions that sound authentically human while incorporating relevant hashtags. Okay, so whatever data I need, how I want it to process, I give it a very clear step-by-step details to this AI agent. Okay, just make sure, like, if you wanted the best output from the AI, you have to give it the best prompt, the more structured prompt, because that is the most and the key of the whole AI agents, right? Your prompts, the more better prompts you provide, the more better result you will get. Okay, so here I'll tell it, like, for the voice guidelines, you need to understand the writing style and the brand voice through the content that I shared already. Okay, and using the content and voice guideline, create two distinct Instagram captions. Each content should reflect the essence of the provided content, adhere closely to the specified voice and tonality, be between 200 to 300 words long, depends on how much you want, sound as if written by the human and not AI written. Okay, basically, even if you don't try this particular point, you still get the more human written output because this Claude 4 model is much better in writing the content. Okay, and then you see include relevant hashtags. So whatever you need in the output, you have to describe it properly over here. Okay, so now let's see, go back to the Telegram and see the output that we got. Here you go. Here you can see. So here's a question. This is the first post. Okay, so here's a question that changed how you work forever. Are you using the same AI for everything? Let me guess. You found ChatGPT or Claude or whatever AI you love, and now it's your go-to everything, right? I totally get it. When something works, why complicate things, right? But here is what I discovered after testing dozens of AI models. It's like testing using a screwdriver for every single job around the house. Sure, you might get things done, but you are definitely not getting the best results. And this whole blog post over, this whole caption for the Instagram over here. Let's read the second one. Can I share something that completely changed my perspective on AI? For months, I was there that a person who stuck to one AI tool for everything. ChatGPT was my answer to life, the universe, and everything. Writing emails, ChatGPT. Complex research, ChatGPT. Brainstorming, you guessed it, ChatGPT. Then I had this light bulb moment. What if I am limiting myself? So I started experimenting, and wow, it was like discovering I had been eating the same meal every day when there's an incredible buffet right in front of me. So you see how beautifully it wrote two different Instagram captions for me just by giving one single email. You can give it a blog post, you can give it the article, you can give it your transcript from the video, whatever data that you have. If you have the webinar transcript, video transcript, your course, your Q&A, your calls, whatever you have, you can give it the content. It will generate the complete Instagram captions for you. Okay, repurpose that in the best way possible, and you see the writing in the tonality, it is similar to the one that I wrote. Okay, now what I will do, I will show you how you can build this. So let's see, and duplicate this because we will build a new one over here. All right, so few tools that you need over here, one is the Telegram, then n8n itself, and then the AI for the Claude Anthropic. Okay, so these three tools that you need to get this AI agent build up, right? So let's click on the plus, new workflow. First thing, click on the plus, add Telegram over here. Okay, and here you have to choose on message. Now you have to set up the integration between your Telegram and this. And how you do that, you can watch my previous videos where I explain step by step how you connect your Telegram. But let me explain it quickly. Okay, so go to the Telegram and search for this bot father. Here you can ask this bot father to create a bot for you. You can give it a name, username, and you will get your own bot father. And it also give you, you will get your own Telegram bot, and it will also give you the API key. So you have to copy that API key and paste it over here in the access token. Once you do that, this will integration will complete. Okay. Now once it integrated, whenever you send any message on the Telegram, okay, on your bot, that message will trigger this flow. Okay. Now click on the plus and search for the AI agent, and this will bring your AI agent over here. So as you can see, it is based on the connected chat trigger node, but we are not using the chat node. So select this, click on define below. Okay. And here we don't need any require specific format, so we keep it off. In the options, choose option, select system message. Now in the system message, I will copy this transcript, this prompt. Okay, this prompt is one of the most important thing. As I said earlier, the more better output you will get when you give them best input. Okay, so I will paste my prompt over here, uh, right? And here I have to give the input that I got from this, right? So right now there is no input, so I just leave it blank for now. Okay, and now we have to add our chat model, which is Anthropic Claude. So here when you click, you will see the first option as the Claude model. Click on that, and you have to build a connection. So when you click on the pencil icon, you need the API key. But how you will get this API key? So for that, you have to go to this console.anthropic.com, and here create your account. Okay, and then on the left hand side, you have to click on the API keys, click on the plus create key, and give it your name, whatever name you wanted to give. Okay, I gave it n8n Cloud integration. Click on add, and then you will get the API key that you can copy. Okay, but make sure if you wanted to use this, it won't work until you do the billing, right? So you have to minimum do the billing of $5, and then you can add more as much you want, right? So until you don't do the billing, it won't work at all. So you make sure add your payment method, do a billing of $5 to start using it. All right, let's get back on our AI agent. Once you do that, you can simply come over here, and in the this select Claude Sonnet 4, which is the best model ever so far in the Claude. Okay, the latest one. After this, click on this tool and search for the think tool. Okay, why I'm using this? Because it helps your AI agent to think smartly. If I show you in the previous one and go to the logs, you see it use the think model. And why? Let me show you. So why I say it like it is a beneficial move. So let's read over here. Now this think model is thinking and analyzing this content to understand the voice and tonality. So the content is from Bharat that appears to be an email about using different AI models for different tasks. Let me break down the voice characteristics. Tone, conversational, friendly, knowledge, but not preachy. Okay, style, use questions to engage, gives practical examples, include metaphors. All right, structure, using emojis, bullet points, clear sections. Personal experience, sharing community, focus helpful, expert positioning. All right, and you can see everything over here. Okay, let's see further. So make it, use the metaphor approach. Okay, make it relatable and actionable. What it need to done, right? So it is thinking like what now need to done. So metaphor and all these things, and it comes with the output. Like it think further, like what that content contains, what that post contains, and how it need to generate the best output. Okay. So here it's saying for Instagram captions, I need to, okay, keep the same conversational, helpful tone, use the metaphor approach, include personal insights, make it relatable and actionable, add emotional resonance, including relevant hashtags. Let me brainstorm two different angles. So it also brainstorming that thing, right? Caption 1, focus on the tool for the job, metaphor, and practical advice. Caption 2, focus on the mindset shift and personal discovery aspect. So this is like how AI agent think smart. We give it a job. Now it is thinking smartly, like how do I perform this job? What do I need to think before doing this job? Is the output that I generated is good enough or not? They're like, do I need to do something else before I give the response further to the user? So this thinks more deeply, and that's why I always use this think agent, and that's why I recommend to use this as well. Now, after doing this, it give it the input as to the anthropic again, and then we get the final output in terms of the captions. Now, how you can get this structured caption over here? Well, you can, for the starting one, you can use this. Go to the Claude, click on this home icon, okay, and here you see the generate a prompt. So you can use this Claude itself to generate a prompt for you. You can describe what you want, right? Like for example, I can say, okay, so here I can say I want to create an AI agent that can repurpose my content like blog post, article, video transcript into to Instagram captions at least 200 to 300 words long, and make sure it follow my writing style and tonality, right? So you can describe like what kind of AI agent you want, what it will do, right? What actions it will perform, what the input will be, what the output will be, and this will write the complete prompt for you. Here you can choose this prompt will be used by with the models that is thinking enabled. So if you choose that, then your think tool will work simultaneously with this, right? Then you click on generate and you will get the whole prompt ready. You can copy that. Okay, I'm not copying it because I already have it. So just make sure you paste it over here and then this will be ready. Now you have to connect your model which is already connected now, and you have to add think model and nothing, no change over here. You can keep it like this. Now connect again with this Telegram over here. So click on this and search for Telegram again. Okay, and here you have to choose the, okay, get a chat, send and send text message. Okay, choose that. Select your Telegram connection again that you already built. Now in the resource, choose message. In the option, choose send message. In the chat ID, right? So this is important. How you get the chat ID? Click on this, and you see you have to simply paste this in your bot, whatever bot you created. Go over there, paste this ID bot, and this will give you the ID for your bot. Then paste that ID over here and the text, that response you will get from here. So copy that response and paste it over here, and that's it. Then your AI agent will be ready, and whenever you will give it a content, your blog post, video, transcript, email, or voice note, whatever, it will generate the content for you, like write the complete blog post for you, or write the Instagram captions for you, or whatever you want, right? So this is how it works, and when you use the Claude 4, it will give you the much better output. Well, I hope you like this video because I am using the Claude 4 like since it's launched yesterday or day before that. and it is giving much better output truly. So I wrote like complete 8 different emails with the help of that instantly without having a single change in that. And this is amazing because before that I have to do some kind of changes, even though I like Claude a lot for the content creation, but sometimes I have to do some changes. But this time Claude 4 is much better, right? Now, if you like this kind of content, you can subscribe to my channel because I will upload more and more videos about the AI agents, AI automations that will save you time, save you money, right, and help you to grow your business faster. And if you wanted to join my EI membership, where I teach deeply on how you can build these agents from scratch, how you can create more AI agents that help you to automate your business more, step by step. Wanted to know how you can use AI tools in your business to save time, to make it more efficient, to enjoy your life more, right? You can join my EI membership. It's not costly. It's like is the I try to provide the best value over as possible. You can join that from the link in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.